are thrilled to be on this side of the world in Malaysia for the first time, personally and professionally.
Being here has allowed us to further expand our manufacturing footprint in Southeast Asia.
Chris and George are spending time in Malaysia to oversee the production of new orders for their international clients. Their partnerships established here are very promising.
After spending time here in Malaysia and setting up Ideoli's assembly lines, we are very confident in its long-term potential. When it comes to specific product categories in the interior space, Malaysia is a leader.
We have successfully executed several large-scale production runs with partner factories in Kuala Lumpur and are extremely satisfied with the results.
Ideoli is working with Yang, a veteran in the furniture manufacturing game in Malaysia for the last 4 decades.
Malaysia is a major exporter of furniture throughout the world. It is relatively a small country of some 20-odd million people, but it stands as the top 5 exporters among the world for furniture. We have a very good supply chain. The infrastructure is good. We have a good set of laws that brings the standard of living for all people involved in this industry.
Malaysia has proven to be a strategic manufacturing market for Ideoli and its expanding operations.
The future looks bright for Ideoli's Malaysian operations.
Ideoli is always looking for new markets, and being in Malaysia is an example of its dedication to doing so.